The customer came in with the complaint that the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool, I found the code P0420, Catalyst System Efficiency Below Threshold, Bank 1. This code indicates that the catalytic converter on Bank 1 is not performing efficiently enough to filter exhaust gases properly, which can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. To diagnose the issue, I began by inspecting the exhaust system for any obvious concerns such as leaks or blockages, but I didn't find anything that seemed problematic. Next, I performed a road test while monitoring the live data from the scan tool. I observed that the oxygen sensor B1S2 signal voltage was fluctuating rapidly, which can be an indication that the catalytic converter isn't filtering gases properly. To investigate further, I used a non-contact pyrometer to measure the temperature of the catalytic converter B1 at 2,500 RPM. The inlet temperature was higher than the outlet temperature, which is a clear indication that the converter is not working efficiently. A properly functioning catalytic converter should cause the exhaust gases to lose heat as they pass through, resulting in a higher outlet temperature than the inlet temperature. Based on these findings, I concluded that the catalytic converter B1 was faulty and needed to be replaced. I replaced the defective converter, cleared the codes from the ECU, and performed another road test. After the test, I verified the vehicle was operating properly. The check engine light remained off, and no fault codes returned. The key takeaway here is that diagnosing a P0420 code involves checking the performance of the catalytic converter by monitoring the oxygen sensor readings and measuring the inlet and outlet temperatures of the converter. When the temperatures do not behave as expected, it usually means the catalytic converter is no longer efficient and needs to be replaced. By replacing the faulty converter, I restored the vehicle's performance and ensured it met emissions standards.